The soldier. I can't wait until I graduate.
Me too. No more homework.
I hate homework.
Are you going to college?
I can't afford it.
Me neither.
So what are you going to do?
I'm joining the army.
You kidding? You might get killed.
I don't think so. After I finish, I'll have enough money to go to college.
That's not a bad idea.
Conversation 2.
The English major. What is your major?
English.
What are you going to do with an English major?
I'm going to be a teacher.
Hello, high school or middle school?
High school.
I teach high school English.
I didn't know that.
I started teaching 5 years ago.
How do you like it?
Do you see all this gray hair? It was totally black 5 years ago.
Maybe I'll teach middle school. Conversation 3. No parking. Parking at school is impossible.
I'll say.
I drove around for half an hour.
Did you find a spot?
I found a spot, but someone cut in and took it from me.
Did you yell at them?
Yes, I did.
And?
And he yelled back at me.
How rude.
But I got lucky a few minutes later.
You have to be lucky to find a parking space.
Conversation 4. Keep your eyes open. This is a huge library.
Yes, it has lots of rooms and lots of space.
And lots of books.
And lots of thieves.
What do you mean?
I mean, keep your belongings close to you. The only thing in my backpack is used books.
But thieves don't know that.
They might think that I've got an iPod or laptop in there.
Now you're thinking.
You'd think a library would be safe from thieves.
Not even a church is safe from thieves.